The universe has been around for almost 13.7 billion years, yet the cosmos still contains numerous mysteries that stump scientists to this day. There is no lack of cosmic curiosities, from dark energy and cosmic rays to the singularity of our own solar system. Thanks to rising technology, the perfect space telescope and cameras, we have seen brighter and more realistic images to help humanity solve these puzzles. Some of these images from space will blow your mind. Join us as we explore 5 real mysterious photos from space. When it comes to ice bodies beyond Neptune, the New Horizons mission is the first of its sort. The new color photographs from NASA's New Horizons space probe show that the strange dwarf planet has 2 distinct faces. For a fact, one side is relatively smooth and the other sports a sequence of mysterious, regularly spaced black dots down the equator, which spans around 300 miles in circumference. The regular spacing and sizing of the black dots have caught the curiosity of NASA's New Horizons scientific team since, according to the agency, we have yet to observe anything quite like them. Pluto's tilt causes the black spots to appear at the planet's base in the images, although if Earth were upright, the sights would be in the planet's center. It's also mysterious why Pluto's moon Charon is so much darker and grayer than Pluto. By combining high-resolution black and white images of Pluto and Charon from the spacecraft's long-range reconnaissance imager with lower-resolution color data from the Ralph instrument, the New Horizons team was able to create color photographs that show what Pluto would look like from the perspective of the spaceship. The scientists could accurately portray the planetoid's 2 sides thanks to the mix of color and black and white pictures. It's a true riddle. We don't know what the spots are and we can't wait to find out, Alan Stern, the principal investigator of the New Horizons mission, said in a statement. While NASA has yet to determine what caused the spots, they are hopeful that more exploration of Pluto may provide clues to this mystery. Since ancient times, people have been fascinated with Saturn because of its intelligent system of ice rings. The 6th planet from the Sun continues to be shrouded in mystery, in part due to its great distance and in part because this gas giant, which is many times larger than our planet, has an atmosphere and composition that is very different from that of Earth, consisting primarily of hydrogen and helium. But there must be more to explain the mystery behind Saturn's massive hexagonal-shaped storm around its north pole. Images from NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft were the first to reveal the mysterious hexagonal weather pattern. The mosaic picture was created in 1988 by David A. Godfrey of the National Optical Astronomy Observatories in Tucson, Arizona, using data collected by Voyager 2 in 1981. Since its discovery in the 1980s by the American Voyager program and subsequent visit in 2006 by the US-European Cassini-Huygens mission, the 6-sided vortex has captured the attention of planetary scientists. Bands of winds blowing up to 300 miles per hour surround the storm with a circumference of nearly 20,000 miles. Higher resolution images of the hexagon taken by the Cassini show that it is a very stable wave in a jet stream that is still there today. Saturn's hexagonal flow pattern is a remarkable illustration of turbulent self-organization. Yadav and Bloxham wrote about it in new research, but they couldn't explain its depth or how it formed. 2 theories have persisted about the initial inspiration for the hexagon. Some have hypothesized that the alternating gas jets are to blame for creating the hexagon, which would make it a somewhat shallow structure. The alternative theory, favored by the group, suggests that the eastward jets extend hundreds of kilometers below the surface. However, scientists are still unsure of the forces that keep the hexagon in place. Thus, its mysteries remain a mystery. In 2015, NASA's Dawn probe orbited Ceres, the most prominent object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They discovered that one of Ceres' greatest mysteries is a massive structure hidden amidst her enormous craters and alien spots. The puzzling structure on Ceres is a large mountain that the Dawn team dubbed Ahuna Mons. The smooth high sides of the pyramid, one whose walls seem to shine, indicate it is really a dome. Ahuna Mons appeared to be a pyramidal structure from a distance. Still, upon closer observation, it is better characterized as a dome with smooth, steep sides. Before Dawn was brought into orbit, this peak was seen by Hubble as a tiny, bright-sided hump on the surface from a distance of 29,000 miles, or 46,000 kilometers. At least two areas on Ceres were very reflective as Dawn drew near. It discovered at least 10 bright spots in this crater alone, with the most promising region on the whole body positioned in the middle. The lofty conical summit of Ahuna Mons and the famous craters like Okata are highlighted by the simulated flight above Ceres. Features on Ceres are given names after festivals, goddesses, and terrestrial agricultural spirits. Currently, the spacecraft is around 240 miles or 385 kilometers from the surface on its last and lowest mapping orbit. It has returned a collection of breathtaking pictures showing huge craters, mysterious alien locations, and pyramid mountains. As Dawn continues to investigate Ceres in its last mapping phase, this crater and its recently formed deposits will be a key topic of research for the team, said Paul Schenk, a member of the Dawn scientific team at the Lunar and Planetary Institute in Houston. An object designated P2010A2 was discovered as it passed through the central asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It was challenging to tell what exactly it was. To some it was a comet, and to others an asteroid. Thankfully, with the aid of the Hubble telescope, it was only discovered a few years ago to be a comet. Although this was different in appearance, it was an X-shaped comet, not a regular round shape. Hubble's newest photos showed the comet as a luminous in-transit X with a spectral vapor trail. There is nothing else in the sky that is like it. The X-shaped comet was created when two asteroids collided at roughly 11,000 miles per hour, and this crash happened recently. The contrails represent particles of trash careering off into the void. They believe this comet most likely originated from the Flora family of asteroids located in the inner main belt, where asteroids are assumed to bounce off one another with some regularity. It may have some connection to the KT impactor. This asteroid hit Earth at the end of the Cretaceous period, wiping out all the dinosaurs and allowing endotherms to take control. Research is still ongoing, so more findings will surface soon. Project Gemini was considered by NASA as a potential route to the Moon before the US space program was able to successfully land men there. Since the technology was novel and the techniques were being tried for the first time, these missions were among NASA's riskiest space exploration endeavors. They put the basics of space travel to the test, from testing launch vehicles to refining base procedures for sustaining communications to the astronauts' practice of circling and docking. During the missions, there was even an unscheduled meeting of the two shuttles. The first flights were flown by a two-person astronaut team. Therefore, the program was given the name Gemini, which refers to the astrological twins of the zodiac. Gemini 1 was still unmanned in 1961. A few years later, in 1965, Gemini 6 and Gemini 7 took off and began their flights in Earth's orbit. All 10 human Gemini flights in Project Gemini are dubbed Bridge to the Moon. 1 year later, a mysterious photo of the Gemini 10 shows a glowing flying object that could never be identified. The crew of 6 later reported seeing an unidentified flying object that appeared to be heading toward Earth. The astronauts were able to locate a pilot in that spacecraft who was wearing a red suit. This explains that this spaceship could also have been a Russian spacecraft returning to Earth. What are your thoughts on these mysterious space photos? Let us know in the comments section below. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, we're sure you would like this next video here. Thanks for watching.